Hello, today I'm dropping off some friends at the Tuen Mun MTR Station. This area is full of blatant traffic violations and is quite typical of drop-off places in Hong Kong. First, take note of the taxi stopping at double yellow lines. We will see this again as we exit this area. And that's not even the drop-off point. Getting closer to the drop-off point, there are more cars parked to the left on double yellow lines. And then there are taxis blocking the actual drop-off point. So I have to stop beside the drop-off point to allow my friends to get off, as well as ensuring that I am not blocking other cars behind me. The slow exit of cars here tells us that the traffic lights turn green for only a short while, so the time of escape from this area is limited. Drivers here do not want to be unnecessarily delayed in catching the green light. Remember the taxis stopping at the double yellow lines on the right? This leads to congestion of traffic and pedestrians, as you can see. I decided not to yield to the truck driver, and I think the truck driver knew this. However, the car behind me and the green taxi did yield. I think that driver must have been surprised that the truck driver turned left, and because the truck had positioned himself to turn right, the truck actually crossed into the other lane. Another traffic violation. Living in the city, there will always be people who will exploit the goodwill of others for their own benefit. It's just a rat race here in Hong Kong. Another way of calling this tricky truck driver is that he is a clever cab driver, doing what he can to survive the traffic conditions in the city. Anyway, thanks for watching and stay safe.